Hello, trading has closed on June 1st, 2018. My last call said unless we took this low out early, we should see higher prices, which we did. Looking for a pattern with an early low, late high. We got that. Has a tendency to close near the high. It didn't do it. It's negative to gap up, hit all these new highs, not close over them. It's negative when this pattern doesn't close at the high. But if we gap and promptly take out this high Monday, all that negativity is erased. If we can't, it's a pretty negative pattern. We should move down. Let's look at the calls from today. Early on, MEJT gave an ultimate buy and an ultimate sell. We've gone up. Ultimately, we should see 27, 22, 20 print. And almost always we see more than that. Here we got an ultimate buy signal and a buy signal. Well, that just means there's a target at a higher price. The target in this case was hit immediately. So when these signals were given, you were at resistance. When you have a buy signal, it means the down move is false and you should retrace to this line. We've come close enough to make the target 27.3505 optional, but it almost always prints anyway, just as the ultimate buy signal almost always is going to give us more than today's high, giving us an optional target 27.3694. So we have mixed indicators. Commonest thing is we gap and promptly move outside the range. Next most common thing is we close little change, have the big move on Tuesday with higher targets, lower targets, positive signals, negative signals. Usually when you rally all day, like when you rally in the last hour like this, keep on going Monday. But when there's a wall into the close, more often than not, you're going to gap down. With all these mixed indicators, higher targets, lower targets, I look for higher and lower prices to print and not for a kind of strongly trending market where the real money is going to be made. In the long run, it looks like we're going to need one more fling up to complete this blue 2 I've been waiting for. You can count in ABC, but C just doesn't look long enough to me, although it doesn't break any rules. Here's where we stand. There's a clear ABC, and this purple C is exactly equal in time now to purple A. So I guess if we start dropping, you can fudge a bit and say I told you so, but I don't think this pattern looks complete to me. And even though I think we're apt to go back and forth with higher and lower prices on Monday, it still looks like this pattern needs one more leg up to complete. And that's today's call.